So here's a quick look at what's happening next at the Sphere. The Sphere is across the street, but this laydown yard is where they're assembling these lattices that are being installed on the Sphere. Presumably these will hold the video thing, net, structure, whatever you call it. That's what I call it. And this is the current status of the Sphere. As you can see, they've made it into an orb, hemisphere really. And if you look along the bottom, this is the part I was just describing so eloquently. This is the lattice work that's going up to hold the video component of the exterior of the Sphere. Of course, there will be video inside the Sphere as well. It's a very exciting time, especially for construction workers, because there's a million dudes working on this. Yes, everyone we saw were dudes, but that's the Sphere. Boom. Here's another shot of the Sphere. This actually goes, there's a new walkway. I'm gonna try and show it to you. Oh, that's not good videography, but here's a new walkway. It's gonna take people from the Venetian Expo to the Sphere. Oh yes, that is happening.